Hello friends, welcome to the truthcorner.com videos. You must be knowing about black seeds, a popular ingredient in your kitchen. Today let us see how to use black seeds for weight loss, few facts about the same, which follows with an easy recipe. Let us begin. Here is the story to tell you about the effectiveness of consuming black seeds for weight loss. At the beginning of the day or at the end of the session, you are always in the look for the ways to lose extra pounds, and having black seeds is not a bad option in any ways. However, several available and positive options are there which you can consider when having black seeds to shed those extra pounds. The other name for black seed is black caraway. In India, it is known as Kalonji. The seed is an extraction from the fruits of Nigella sativa plant, and the name comes from the black color of the seeds. Now let us know more about the seeds. Black seeds is useful for cooking, and these can help you prepare tempting pulse dishes and various other items. You can sprinkle it on the bread, and it helps in serving as a delicacy in the leading cuisines of the world. You can even get black seed oil from the market, which is an expensive item but effective for weight loss. Black seed oil is known for positive weight loss effects as it has been tested at the preclinical stage to prove its eligibility in weight loss matters. The seeds have a mild anorexic impact which helps in fast filling up of appetite. Consumption of black seeds for weight loss is not recommendable for all as it can lower the blood pressure level with minimum adversity. Black seed is to be consumed in low quantity. Daily intake of 1 to 2 gram of black seeds or 1 to 2 teaspoons of black seed oil is recommendable. Now let us see how to use black seeds for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients for a healthy drink. You need black seed powder 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon and warm water 1 cup. Note down the method. You need to mix all the ingredients together. Drink it daily on an empty stomach. I hope the information on black seeds or Kalonji is beneficial for you and would love to inculcate the simple drink in your diet to reduce weight and remain healthy. Thank you.